So the most important news for today is that Dogecoin and the entire crypto market is going to benefit from Facebook's turn to metaverse. In this video, I'll talk about some very important developments in the crypto world while analyzing Dogecoin's price. Hello guys, and welcome back to Crypto Fire, where we talk about Dogecoin, cryptocurrency, and investing. Before we move forward, I'd just like to remind you to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications. This will make sure that you never miss our time-sensitive updates. Now, let's get started with today's video. So before discussing how Facebook's turn to metaverse is going to impact the crypto world, let's first see what analysts are expecting from Doge. So Dogecoin's market action demonstrates hints of disappointment for bulls who have expected a breakout towards 50 cents. Sellers were able to seize control and push Dogecoin below a triple bottom, risking a return to April 2021 pricing levels. From 34 cents to 19 cents, a Fibonacci expansion reveals that the 161.8% Fibonacci expansion level is at 10 cents. And it appears that sellers may seek to profit from any weakening that results in Dogecoin falling below 19 cents in order to target 10 cents. However, if Dogecoin retraces all the way to 19 cents and then dips to 17 cents, a spike pattern will form, providing bulls with a rapid mean reversion trade idea. On the other hand, following Shiba Inu's dramatic surge in October, when the price of Shib increased by over 400%, reports broke that a wallet holding $8 billion in Shiba tokens had moved over $3 billion in coins. As investors rushed to sell in anticipation of the whale offloading his token onto an exchange, Shiba Inu's attitude shifted quickly, and the market fell more than 50%. However, we are now seeing a huge bounce for Shib, with the bulls regaining control and seeking to break through the $0.00006 level. Besides, Shiba Inu's sentiment is particularly positive as a result of the vigorous marketing campaign being performed by several exchanges. These marketing campaigns usually include a Shiba Inu, which serves as an incentive for those unfamiliar with crypto to purchase the token. For instance, if you have been on TikTok or YouTube recently, you may have noticed Coinbase.com advertisements showcasing Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Shiba Inu. Moreover, Coinbase has recently made Shiba Inu available to residents of New York who can now trade, buy, sell, and store Shib on the platform. Besides, another crypto exchange, Kraken, recently stated that Shiba Inu would begin trading on its platform this week. However, the exchange did not come through and Shiba Inu is still not listed on Kraken. So what do you think about Coinbase increasing its Shiba Inu offerings? Let me know in the comments section below. Now let's talk about Bitcoin for a minute. Although Bitcoin's sluggish price action has pushed some traders towards altcoins, analysts are still convinced that the next breakout will take the price of Bitcoin above $80,000. It appears that bulls in Bitcoin are still expecting a significant breakout, while bears are putting pressure and keeping the digital asset below $61,000. And according to data from Cointelegraph Markets, Pro and TradingView, bulls' recent effort to break above $62,000 was met with a strong defensive line from the bears, who easily rejected the attempt. Moreover, the majority of Bitcoin exchange deposits are made by whale wallets, and exchange reserves continue to decline, which appears to be a bullish indication for Bitcoin because the reduced supply available for purchase typically results in price hikes during periods of increased demand. Besides, buyer demand is increasing to meet seller supply, which explains the relative stability of Bitcoin price action over the week. Now let's talk about the big news from today. Facebook gave the crypto sector a jolt of confidence after it renamed itself Meta Platforms, signaling its embrace of the metaverse, which is an immersive virtual world where people can work, play games, conduct e-commerce, and socially interact. And analysts are saying that crypto businesses, online games, and NFT in general will gain from this development. Notably, online gaming systems and marketplaces that utilize NFT, as in game tokens and collectibles, could be a winner. And according to CNBC, crypto investors regard Facebook's rebranding as a sign of rising acceptance of the crypto and the metaverse movement. Besides, Mana, a metaverse-focused crypto, has risen in response to the heightened interest. CNBC further reported that the head of Asia Pacific at crypto exchange Luno Vijay Iyer recently said that the increase in Mana and other metaverse-focused cryptos following Facebook's announcement is a symptom of the metaverse trend's growing acceptance. Moving on, another big news was that the U.S. House of Representatives passed a $1.2 trillion bipartisan infrastructure bill, which, if signed into law by President Joe Biden, will enact new measures requiring all citizens to report crypto taxes. If you don't know, the Biden administration initially presented the infrastructure bill with the primary goal of enhancing the nation's transportation network and internet access. However, the bill imposed onerous reporting rules on the crypto ecosystem, requiring all crypto transactions worth more than $10,000 to be reported to the IRS. Meanwhile, the House of Representatives passed the contentious infrastructure bill to President Biden by a vote of 228 to 206. Additionally, the crypto community expressed concern about the ambiguous definition of the term broker, which could result in the imposition of unrealistic tax reporting obligations on subcommunities such as minors. Basically, if this bill is passed, it'll be a big blow to the development of crypto because this will discourage the miners to stay in the crypto market. Moving on, another news was that the former UK Chancellor Philip Hammond said that institutional adoption of crypto characteristics like tokenization and distributed ledger technology is now unstoppable. I think this kind of endorsement is going to increase the retail investors' trust in crypto, and that's really good news. In an interview with Yahoo Finance, he stated that trading features currently associated with crypto assets will become standard business practices for conventional assets when they get tokenized. And this is going to happen as we have probably reached an impasse. Hammond further stated that the forward-thinking technologies that define the crypto ecosystem will provide several benefits and significantly increase efficiency. Additionally, he cited several benefits of distributed ledger technology, including improved security, transparency, settlement speed, and cheaper execution cost for consumers. Another news came from the MicroStrategy CEO, Michael Saylor. He recently stated at the Bloomberg Financial Innovation Summit that Bitcoin ETF are ready to take over the financial markets in the next 3 years. Saylor said that Bitcoin ETF will eventually supplant gold ETF, and Bitcoin will someday become the primary asset class for the Western world, eclipsing the $425 billion SPDR ETF trust. However, he said that to accomplish this, we will need a spot ETF. And once these Bitcoin spot ETF are created, they will see billions of dollars come into them, followed by hundreds of billions, several hundred billions, and eventually trillions. I'm sure that Saylor really believes what he's saying, and that's why he has invested a large chunk of his wealth into Bitcoin. He's also been one of the most successful Bitcoin investors till date, so I think his comments are really important. Now coming back to Dogecoin, it is currently trading at 26 cents, with a market cap of over $34 billion and a 24-hour volume of over $1.8 billion. It is currently trading near the 200-period simple moving average on the 4-hour chart, which served as dynamic support at the end of October. And if Doge gains traction and attracts new offers in that area, it might break above the resistance level of 28 cents and rocket to 32 cents in the first degree, followed by the 34 cents level. However, if the bears ignore the 200 simple moving average, the door will open for Dogecoin to reach the 22 cents support region and eventually reach the 19 cents zone. So what are your expectations from Dogecoin? Do you think it is heading towards a bearish run or perhaps a bull run? Let me know in the comments section below. And this is it for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and sharing it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications for daily videos on Dogecoin and cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Goodbye, take care.